Welcome back, at Karog 765 everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and luxurious sedans in automotive history, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents success, sophistication, and cutting-edge innovation. Mercedes has once again pushed the boundaries of comfort, design, and technology. So, stay with me as we take a detailed look at what makes the 2026 S-Class a true masterpiece. Exterior design. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 S-Class brings a fresh yet familiar design language, sleek, elegant, and confident. At the front, you'll notice refined LED headlights, a bold chrome grille, and sculpted lines that speak of quiet power. The flush door handles slide out smoothly, and the aerodynamic shape ensures reduced drag and better efficiency. At the rear, a new full-width LED light bar gives it a signature presence, especially at night. It's not flashy, it's sophisticated, which is exactly what you expect from an S-Class. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you enter a different world. The 2026 S-Class is designed like a luxury suite on wheels. You get ultra-soft Nappa leather seats, natural wood trim, customizable ambient lighting, and even fragrance systems to keep the cabin fresh. At the center is a beautiful 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen, floating seamlessly in a minimalist dashboard. The driver gets a 3D digital cockpit, and yes, everything is touch, voice, or gesture controlled. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with reclining seats, footrests, individual screens, and even massaging functions. It's not just about driving, it's about being chauffeured in pure luxury. Engine and performance. Now let's talk power and performance. The 2026 S-Class comes in multiple engine variants. S500 a 3.0 line E6 turbo with mild hybrid tech. S580 a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 for more punch. And a plug-in hybrid S580e capable of driving up to 100 kilometers, about 62 miles, on electric power alone. All models come with 9-speed automatic transmission, 4MATIC all-wheel drive, and adaptive air suspension, which means you'll glide over roads like you're on a magic carpet. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the backseat, the ride is smooth, silent, and seriously refined. Technology and innovation. Mercedes didn't just update the car, they redefined smart luxury. The MBUX 2.0 system is smarter than ever, with AI-based voice assistant that recognizes natural language. Augmented reality navigation overlays directions right onto the windshield. You even get biometric authentication, face, fingerprint, or voice to personalize your settings. There's support for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, gesture control, and over-the-air updates, so your car gets smarter over time. Simply put, the 2026 S-Class doesn't just drive, it thinks. Safety and driver assistance. Mercedes has always been a leader in safety, and this S-Class continues that legacy. It now offers Level 3 autonomous driving. In some countries, the car can drive itself in traffic jams up to a certain speed. Features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and night vision assist. The pre-safe system detects collisions before they happen and prepares the car to protect you. With 360 degrees cameras, radar systems, and AI-driven sensors, you and your passengers are always in safe hands. Pricing, variants. Now let's talk money. The 2026 S-Class starts at around $115,000 for the base S500 and can go up to $150,000 plus depending on options and trims. Of course, prices vary depending on your region, taxes, and packages. But what you get is unmatched. The ultimate blend of comfort, technology, performance, and status. A car that's just as perfect for daily drives as it is for red carpet arrivals. Final verdict. If you want a sedan that does everything, and does it better than most, the 2026 S-Class is in a league of its own. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the 2026 S-Class? Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep driving in style.